Do I...
You okay, Kyle?
Reevaluating my worldview, but yes. Are you coming in, or do I stay?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh.
I'm already here.
Oh, okay. Did you just put the watch away?
Yeah.
That we're inside?
No, Kyle, we didn't go inside the watch. We used it to travel here, to my home.
Because this looks like a normal home.
Doesn't it?
Not like a, well...
You see, Kyle, in order to turn the world on its head, you first have to show the world as it is instead. You can't undercut the worldview and point out the absurd if you don't first establish the worldview of which that world is your world. Look around, I've changed exactly 3 things. If you can find them, you'll be made king. Look around, I've changed exactly 3 things.
Exactly 3 things. And if I find them,
you'll be made king.
I don't know if I want to be made king. But one thing immediately made me stop. All of the clocks here are melty and weird.
Yes, that's one. Good job, Kyle. It took you no time. Others take such a while. But you found the very first thing I've made absurd.
Okay, 2. There's no front door. There doesn't seem to be a normal way to come into this house.
Right, that one's kind of a gimme because you already came via clock.
Sure. Yes, is that not a one of the 3 things?
No, it is. Good job, Kyle. You've got to. Oh, Kyle, I believe in you. And now there's one more thing, and then you'll be named
What
king.
if I don't want to be king?
One more thing, and you'll be named the king.
Okay, sort of not debatable. One
more thing, and you will be named king. One more thing, and you'll be king.
Huh. There is no microwave. Is that it? I'm seeing a stove and a refrigerator and a blender, but there is no microwave. Are you just not the kind of person that needs a microwave?
And they're not currently that common.
Fair enough.
They exist, they're just not like everyone has them.
Are they really big?
No, they're just still sort of unique.
Got it. Cool. So it's not the microwave.
Not,
Good to know.
but hey, that doesn't really count. It's not even a misstack. Oh, one more.
I'm really beating myself up for the microwave.
Go, Kyle.
thing. I don't even know if I can guess one more thing.
You don't have to guess. Take it in. Look, and so it's not a guess when you know it's not something missing. It's right before you. What's the one last thing that makes you go, huh? Look at you.
This is crazy. I don't know. I want to say a thing, but I'm also afraid that I might be having a stroke. I can smell all the colors in here. Am I having a stroke, or is your house just weird? Oh no.
My king, my king, my king.
I'm just your king.
No, all of our king.
All of our king.
All of our king. You are all of our kings. Down here. No, just, you don't have to go down here. In this world, in this realm of the absurd, you are king.
Whew. Okay, that's a lot of pressure. Okay, not to get off topic though. First decree as king, I need to make a difference. And I have just the thing. Mittens, fire truck, Jerome and Tyrese. Benjamin, Buttons, and Janice. Those are the 7 cats you need to adopt for here. Those are the 7 cats and it's never been more clear.
My king, can you name those cats again? Can you name those cats again? I need to run up there and adopt them. Can you name those cats again?
Yeah,
there was Benjamin, Buttons, and Janice.
Jerome and Tyrese.
Mittens, fire truck.
Fire truck. Wow, I did it all by myself.
My king.
Oh, 7 cats and a king.